I'm going to start the OBS software, how to start working with the OBS software. So this is one of the best, I would say, free open source software which will enable you to record your screen, your voice, audio and the video capture, and then it will also tell you, it will enable you to do a lot of things with this small and very helpful tool. For me, I have just downloaded this software and I wanted to share the same experience what I was facing before when I was working on this, when I was looking for some software, some open source software which will enable and help to record the videos and record whatever work I'm doing, or document the things which I'm trying to capture or trying to share with my colleagues, the peer group and rest of the world. So let's start with the software. Very quick, I will tell you there are few things. Whenever you will install this software, you will get this screen. The screen will look like it is very easy and very simple. It will have a lot of feature in it. Here you will see a source tab where you will get a lot of information, whether you wanted to, whatever things you wanted to include into your video, it will be available here. Here you can see the audio input capture is here, audio output capture is here, browser source is here, color source is here, display capture is here. So if you wanted to capture your desktop, you have to create a display for it. So I have created the desktop over here as a desktop, and also for the input device I have to take the audio input capture, then I have to add any of this whatever I am having in my inbuilt system, or if I am using anything externally, I have to recognize this with my scene. So scene is the scene which we are capturing. Scene is something like if you have a multiple, if you wanted to place a lot of thing into one, say a video, then you have to create a scene for it, and then you have to create different inputs to it. So for me, this I have created just this like this. Click on the add button and you will get one tab where you can put the name of your scene, whatever scene you wanted to create. So this is very easy for you. And then once you have added the scene, you have to add some source to it. So for me, I have added multiple source. So you can see the source is web camera, which you will see on me while I'm talking to you, and as well as storing the desktop. So here I have a web camera, mic, desktop with my scene too. So this is very easy to start with, and then there are multiple settings to it which you can do. So what I will prefer for you to not get deep into this in this immediate video, we'll do it later on, maybe in the next video, very next video. But before going to that, I will just show you a couple of things. So here is the general settings where you can choose your language, the theme. So by default the theme would be white color, but I'm taking this dark color as this is night time over here and it is very much easy for eyes to see in black mode. And then we have multiple settings over here where you can see the stream setting is directly available, where you can put on the stream direct to Facebook, direct to YouTube, direct to multiple social media sites, multiple sites, which is listed over here. So we are not doing any streaming as of now, so let it be for the next video or the onwards video. Here you have output. So by default you will have an output with the bitrate of 2500, and the encoder for me, I have chosen the software which is a default over here. The very important thing is to choose the video location where you wanted to save the videos whatever you are creating. So for me, because it is disabled, because right now I am working on this video, so it will not allow me to choose another location. It is freeze. So this, you can see, this is my location. So this is the folder I have created, is a OBS folder where this video will be saved. And then I have audio. So by default there are multiple things available, so you can create your own. If you have a different, say, any external audio devices, you will use that external audio device, and if you have inbuilt, or if you are using the inbuilt audio device, it will help you to use the same. And there are not one, there are multiple audio device which you can associate with this video, as well as there are so many different settings. With the video also, you have a resolution to it. So for me it is 1366 cross 768, which is quite good. And then I am not manipulating these things, I am taking this as it is, as a default. So once you will install the software, you will come to know that what are the things which you can play on. There are multiple, say, there are so many things which you can play on, the multiple combinations, and then you will come with a good video, good quality, a lot of things. There is one very good section, is a hotkeys, which is very important for you to create a very professional videos in a very short time, very efficiently. So you will use the control plus any of the letters which you wanted to use. It will be very easy for you. Advanced setting is something where you can create the file name, a different process priorities, different say color spaces. There are so many things which you can explore by yourself, or I will tell you in the next video, in the very next video. So for as of now, I have taken this advanced setting as a default setting. Now you can see that I am closing this, I'm discarding the setting to default. Okay, I'm not going to do any changes, as I'm recording the video, so I will not be allowed. Right, here we go. So you can see there are multiple options over here. So this is my star streaming, but we are not doing this streaming, so that is why it is very easy for you to directly to go live, which is very good option over here. And then there is a stop recording. As of now, because I am recording something for you, so if I will stop, I will be disconnected, and then I have to do a little bit more effort to combine both the videos before this video and after that video. So I have to combine. So instead of combining that, I'm just going to the location where I have saved the video. You can see, so this was my save the video. You can see this one is the file which is still creating. So this I won't be able to do this file. I won't be able to play this for you because it is temporary file which is getting created. And this one which I have recorded earlier, I'm going to play this into the VLC media player. So let me just very quickly, let me open the VLC. Okay, so this is the VLC. Fine. Now very quickly I'm going to draw.
Okay, so I closed that setting.
Now
You
I
can
restarted
it just
so
to show you whether it was saved or not saved. So for me,
cool,
I have created this.
Immediately, just one more setting I wanted to tell you. Here you have a mixer where you can say mix both the videos.
Sorry,
if you wanted to,
nothing has been stored so far.
Small
shit.
The background videos, voice, and the current.
Okay, so last time the problem was it was not working due to the reason
like this.
I think my headphone was not working.
Okay, so I'm just stopping this video. Fine, I think now you will be able to do this, and very quickly you will be able to get your hands dirty on this software, and you will be able to create a very good video in future. Best of luck. Now I'm going to pause and stop this video and uploading for you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Bye bye.